Step 1. Open the box and arrange the parts neatly. Step 2. Wipe the installation position clean and apply adhesion promoter. Step 3. Refer to the operation in the video to remove the tape protective film on the back of the hood protector. Confirm the pasting position. Press and paste while removing the remaining tape protective film. The installation steps for hood protector on the other side are the same. Step 4. Open the hood of the car in front. According to the video, open the black cover inside the vehicle. Take it out from the yellow connector marked with the number 20 at the bottom. Step 5. Disassemble the wiring harness on the hood protector. Insert the just removed connector into the corresponding position of the red wiring harness. Then insert the connector plug of the red wiring harness into the corresponding position of the original vehicle. Tidy up the red wiring harness and then tightly close the black cover inside the vehicle. Take out the clip on the black wiring harness to clamp the screws of the original vehicle and tighten. Step 6. Stick white double-sided tape on the back of each transparent wire clip. Remove the white sticker on the back of the wire clip. Stick them in the corresponding position. Fix the wire harness with a clip. Fix the wiring harness along the pole using zip ties. Cut off the excess part of the zip ties, then cover the front hood. Attention! Do not drive the vehicle within 24 hours after installation. The installation location do not touch water within 72 hours after installation.